the Veterinary Medicine Library Chiang Mai University channel. This video will give you a start on using EndNote20, a software tool for managing bibliographies and references when writing essays and articles. It allows you to easily create and organize your own library of references, and then insert citations and bibliographies into your documents with just a few clicks. So, we will walk you through step by step how to create references in EndNote20. There are 3 ways to create references in EndNote, including 1. Importing from an online database. EndNote allows you to import references from a variety of online databases, such as PubMed, Scopus and Google Scholar. You can use the search feature of the database to find the references you need, and then import them into EndNote. 2. Manually entering information. You can create new references by manually entering the information for each reference. This is useful when you have a reference that is not available through an online database, or when you want to create a reference for a document that is not in electronic form. 3. Importing from a PDF file. You can also import references from a PDF file. Let's get started to create references. First method. Importing from an online database. EndNote allows you to import references from a variety of online databases, such as PubMed, Scopus and Google Scholar. The first database that I would like to import reference into EndNote is PubMed. You can import references from PubMed, a database of biomedical literature, into EndNote by using the PubMed citation export feature. Here's an overview of the process. First, search for articles on PubMed as you normally would. Second, select the articles you would like to import by checking the boxes next to their titles. Third, click on Send to at the top of the search results page, and then select Citation Manager and select Create File. The references will be exported to EndNote with the information from PubMed. Fourth, in EndNote, the imported references will appear in the Imported group in the References section of the library. Next database. How to import references from Scopus. Here are the general steps you can follow to import references from Scopus database. First, search for the references you need in Scopus, and select the ones you want to export. Second, click on the Export button at the top of the search results page. Third, select RIS format EndNote as the export format. Fourth, click the Export button to save the references to your computer in the EndNote format. Fifth, click RIS file, and the references will be imported into your selected EndNote library. Next database. How to import references from Google Scholar. To import references from Google Scholar into EndNote, users need to configure the Google Scholar settings first to make the Import into EndNote option available in Google Scholar search results. Here are the step-by-step instructions. Go to Google Scholar website. Click on the menu button on the upper left corner of the screen and click on Settings. On the Scholar Settings page, under Bibliography Manager, click in the radio button next to Show Links to import citations into, and choose EndNote in the drop-down menu. Then click on the Save button in the lower right corner. The Import into EndNote option will be shown in Google Scholar search results display. How to export a reference from Google Scholar to EndNote. First, search in Google Scholar as you normally would. Second, at the desired reference, click on Import into EndNote, link located right beneath the reference. Third, in the pop-up File Download window, click on File, or click on the Open button. The chosen reference will be automatically exported into your EndNote library. Suggestions for user. Using this method, you can export only one reference at a time from Google Scholar into EndNote. And not all the information in the reference can be exported. Fields like keywords and abstracts are not exported. Therefore, if a reference is available in PubMed or other databases, please import it from those resources into EndNote, so that more bibliographic information of the record will be included. You will notice that references importing from an online database is very easy and convenient. Next way to create references. Manually entering information. This way is useful when you have a reference that is not available through an online database, or when you want to create a reference for a document that is not in electronic form, such as book, report and thesis. Here are the general steps you can follow to manually enter information into EndNote. First, open EndNote and select the library where you want to add the reference. Second, click on the New Reference button or go to References and click New Reference in the menu bar. Third, select the reference type that best fits the information you want to enter. For example, if you are entering a book, select Book. Fourth, enter the information into the fields provided. The fields will vary depending on the reference type you selected. You will need to enter the basic information such as author, title, journal name, and publication date. Fifth, when you have finished entering the information, click OK to add the reference to your library. Next way to create references. Importing from a PDF file. EndNote allows you to import PDF files into your reference library, so that you can have the full text of the paper available for viewing within the EndNote application. Here is an overview of the methods for importing PDFs into EndNote. Open EndNote and select the library where you want to import the PDF. Go to File, Import in the menu bar, and select File. Navigate to the location of the PDF file that you want to import. Select the PDF file and click on Open. Select the import option for the PDF, and click Import. EndNote will automatically create a new reference in your library, using the information embedded in the PDF, such as the author, title, and publication information. The imported PDF will be automatically attached to the reference and you can view it by clicking on the paperclip icon, so you can easily access it from within EndNote. If EndNote can't extract the information, you will have to enter it manually. So that should be more than enough to get you using EndNote. You can always come back here to see video. If you found the video useful, please share it with your friends. Or don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.